your test, you may be asked to answer a question based on cars or trains traveling in opposite directions, approaching each other. Well, like in this example, we have two cars. They are currently 580 miles apart. Car A is traveling that direction, 67 miles an hour. Car B is going the opposite direction at 78 miles an hour. This should give you nightmares, remind you about stuff you once did back in high school and how tough it was. We're going to try to simplify it here a little. The formula to answer any question like this, anything with rates and times, is with rate times time equals distance. That's our master formula. And in this case, we already have the distance. The distance is 580 miles. So we're looking for how long till they meet. So we need to figure out what is the rate. And this is very conceptual. A good way to think of it is each hour, how much closer together are the two cars? Well, this one went 67 miles that way and this one went 78 miles that way. So together they closed 145 miles. In other words, when cars are traveling in opposite directions of each other, the rate of close is just their two rates added together. So then you just solve for time. Time would be 580 divided by 145. I chose nice numbers. It worked out to 4 hours. So we know that in 4 hours these two cars will meet. But what if you were asked, how far has each car gone when they meet? What we'll do now is we'll take this 4 hours and we'll apply it back to the original rates. So car A, we'll just go rate times time equals distance. Rate is 67, time is 4 hours, and that'll equal the distance. So we just need to do 67 times 4, 268 miles. So car A has gone 268 miles. Car B, we can either just take 580 minus 268, or we can do the same thing we did for car A. Rate times time equals distance. 78 times 4 hours equals distance. So let's figure out what 78 times 4 is. 312. So this has gone 312. Together, those add up to 580, and we've got it solved. So the big hint, the thing to remember is, when cars are coming in opposite directions, the rate you use for the rate time distance is the rate of close, which is just their two separate rates added together.